Hello everyone. On one of our two subscribers request, I will show you today how to show cluster KPI as a single value, not as a cell wise, and we don't need to go to cell wise and then pivot it. We can easily get it directly from PRS. So we have to go to first to the report management. Then we need to make a new report, or already if we have a report made, we can edit it. I will show you as a new report. So we click on new report, and when it opens, suppose you may be making it on 3G or 4G or 2G, and so we need to select first the any type. So from the any type, we can select, suppose initially for 3G RNC. In the object type, that's the very important thing. In the object type, we need to select use cell group, not use cell. We need to select use cell group. And for 2G, we need to select G cell group, not G cell. We need to select G cell group. And for 4G, we need to in any type we need to select for BTS, and in object type we need to select LT cell group. Then after that we need to select the object. Now here the object will be a group of cells that we need to make previously. The group we need to make it previously. I am showing you how to make a group. Suppose we have a list of group here, and we can import the we can import an Excel file that the required cell you need to make a cluster. Or what you can do is, like, you can also export one template from the existing one, and you can edit the site name and the group name, and you can import it again. So you can export one of your report, then you can just rename it, and rename all the cells and group name, and you can directly import it, and the report will be done. Another way is, I will show you from the object management. You can also do it from there, and that's also very easy way to create the object. So you have to go to the object group management. From report, you have to go to object group management. Then you will see the list of groups that are already created. So on the left side you see the technology, and on the right side you see all the groups. Maybe whatever technology you want to select, you first select from the left side. Then you if it's a new group you want to make, you just make it click on new group. Or if you want to export one existing group, you just select the one of the report, then click export. Then your export will be done. From here I will show you the Excel file that is already made, and from that you can check. Here's the export file that I have already made. You see the star marks, these are actually the mandatory fields. The other fields you don't need to fill. You just give the group name that you want to give, and the enode B names, whatever number is this, 100,000, you just give it only the group name and the enode B name. You just save it, and you can import it on in here. You just click import, and it will be imported, and it will show you and in the list. But if you have a small cells of group, just maybe one side or two side, you can just manually select it from here, and it will be done. It's very easy to make a group. You just select the any type object type and give the cell name, and okay, it will be made. Then after that we came back to the report management system. Then from here you search the group you made already. Suppose it was QQ, so we make it selected, and we select the KPIs that we want to show. Maybe you have already predefined KPIs also. You can edit a report, or you can make a report. I'm showing you just a new report. So I will select just few KPIs from here so that I can show you how the values can be shown at a stress. So I'm just taking some CQI values. So we take the value CQI values and select the KPIs, and now we have to select the time. We can just randomly select like 1 week's data for showing purpose. So we select day, and from floating period maybe we can select the last 7 days. So last 7 days data will be shown. We click OK. Now you can save this template also, or maybe you have already done previously. We just select the query, and I will show you how the values you will get from here. What you will see, there will be no cell names in this. You see, there is no cell name. It's only date, cell, LT cell group, and identity. So you don't have a cell name. So this is the complete one is a total cluster value. So I think my friend, I am giving your answer in that how you can see the KPIs in a cluster wise. In this way, we don't need to export cell wise. Then we don't have to make it a pivot table and show as a cluster. We can directly from PRS we can show it as a cluster KPI. So it's very easy and like very not time consuming at all. So it's very easy. So I think this video will help you in future cluster optimization and something like that. So I hope that you like the video. If you like it, please click the like button. And I think if you have any other queries, you can send me in the comment box, and hope you will subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and do share with others.